Thomas Grooves. Ho ho.
Hey guys, Ghost Project 1 here with another episode of Modern Microforge, and today I am going to be showing you how to create the GUI top furnace. Last episode we did the container top furnace, and today we're going to do the GUI top furnace. I was going to create this class, and it's going to go into a package called GUI. I'm going to finish, and to start off with, we're going to make this only a side client. Import that, and we're just going to make this extend. Oh, got it. And this is just going to extend GUI container. Container. Just import that. Okay, let's add the constructor. Okay. So the constructor is just going to be inventory player. Inventory player. And I'll call this in player, comma, then tile entity tot furnace tile, and we're going to super new tot what was it, tot container top furnace, sorry, and that is going to take in player and tile. Then under that we're going to set a variable in a second, so we just need to add an implemented method here as well. And we're just going to go private static, because there's only going to be one instance of this, final resource location, that furnace GUI textures. Okay, and this is going to be equal to new resource location, and it's just going to be what the location of the furnace GUI, which will be textures / GUI / container / furnace.png. Okay, so we're just going to import resource location, like so. Okay, and then we're going to create a private tile entity, entity tot furnace tile furnace, and we're just going to set this dot tile furnace equal to tile. Okay. Now, first things first, we need to draw the foreground layer. Okay, this is going to be the background, so we need to draw a foreground as well, which will be protected void draw GUI container foreground. Okay, and this should just be integer parameter 1 and comma integer parameter 2. So, and this should override a method. Did we spell it wrong? Should be like that. Draw GUI container. Just got foreground wrong, I think. I'm sure that's it. Is it foreground layer? Because that's got a layer there, so layer. That was layer. Okay. So inside of here, we're actually going to do create a variable called string, and we'll just call it, I don't know, string. And we'll call it this dot tile furnace dot has custom inventory name. So if it does, then we want to return this dot tile furnace dot get inventory name. This is because this actually draws the name of the furnace, the name of the container, which was where it says top furnace, and you'll see later. So else do I18n dot format. Okay, and this will just be this dot tile furnace dot get inventory name, and then new object array. Array 0, and that'll be it. Okay, and then we're going to do this dot font render object, draw string. The first parameter will be our string variable. The second one will be this, so this will be the position dot x size will do, and then we'll divide it by 2, so it's kind of like in the center of the screen. But we're also going to minus this dot font renderer object dot get string width, string. Okay, so this basically just gets the center of that string and places it in the center of the X of the screen. Okay, I'm going to just do this to 6 pixels down. I will set this one to, I don't know, 4,200 1075.2. Okay, that's a number I wrote down before because I've got all this math figured out, so I don't want to have to like keep debugging through the game. I want it to be perfect first time around, so I can show you guys. Okay, this time what we're going to do, we're just going to copy this. Okay, and we're going to change this first bit here. So the first parameter, or string should be, to the I18n dot format, which will be container dot inventory, and the object array will be just new object 0. Okay, and then the next bit after that will be we'll set it to 8. And then this dot, and then we want to get the middle, so this dot y size minus this dot x size. I want to divide that number by 2. And I'm just going to copy this and paste it and change this to L. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so yeah, okay. What's going on? Okay. So we need to change this off to y size and change this to height. So once we've done that, we want to go this dot draw textured model rectangle. Textured model rectangle. And we're going to set this to K, L, 0, 0, this dot X size, then this dot Y size. And then I'm going to create an integer which will just be I1. So if this dot tile furnace dot is burning, we're going to want to give off some stuff. So we want to go I1 and we'll set this equal to this dot tile furnace dot get burn time remaining scaled, which is here, and go 12, and I'll set this to 12. Then we want to go this dot draw. So this is going to just keep updating the like middle where it says it's burning. Textures model from model rectangle. Do K plus 56, L plus 36. This is getting the coordinates of where it should be drawing. L plus 36 plus 12 minus I1. parameter 3 will just be 176. This one will be 12 minus I1. Next one's going to be 14. And then the next one will be I1 plus 2. Okay. And then we're just going to copy this. Not copy, sorry. We're going to set I1 equal to this dot tile furnace dot get burn times remaining scaled. Not look at burn time. Get cut time progress scaled. And it sets to 24. And once we've done that, I want to do this dot draw rect sets to k plus 79. This one to L plus 34. Next one to 176. And next one to 14. And then the last one to I1 plus 1, comma 16. What have I gone wrong here? Come out 176. 14. This should be right. Draw rectangle. Oh. Textured model rect. That's it. Done. We are done. No more. We can run the game. We can test this block if we've registered it. Have we registered it? Yes, we registered the block. Have we given it a name? No, we have not, as far as I'm aware. Okay. And have we given it a name? Yes, we've even given it a name. Wow. Amazing. Okay, let's run the game. I'm literally fingers crossing this works at the moment. And if it crashes and burns, then I'm going to flip. I'm going to take this out. Yeah, because I don't want sound. Okay. Let's go into game mode C. Oh, we didn't texture it, did we? Okay, let's go and texture this block quickly. So I'll be right back once I've got my textures. Okay guys, I just added the textures and I just got it from the Artcraft mod which I was making with some people. And now, oh my god, moment of truth. Does the texture work? Textures are on the block. Yes, the textures work, okay. So, we've got the furnace. Can we place it? Does it rotate? No, it doesn't rotate. But oh well. Doesn't matter. Okay, we can do rotation in another episode, okay. Anyway, if we right click on the furnace, we crash. Well done, Tom. What's up with this? Something about it not liking the GUI top furnace in line 43. Tile dot is burning. Okay, is this in the container? This is in the GUI. Okay. Why did you do that? What sort of error is this? Is it a big scary one? Yeah, it's a big scary one. Something about memory, the network system, which is bad normally. Container.furnace, it doesn't like something in here either. And it doesn't like line 60 either. I'll be right back once I figure out what's wrong. Okay guys, I'm back. Wow, that was eventful. Okay, so what I'd done, okay, the way you fix this by the way, is you need to extend block container. I was going through everything. I rewrote my code. Okay, it's all back to the original now, which we're demonstrating in the tutorials. But also you need to add this create new tile entity thing here if you haven't already. Okay, so make sure you do public tile entity, create new tile entity, world parameter 2. I'm not sure if I showed how to add that. Okay, but you do that and extend block container, and I am angry as anything. I even looked in the Artcraft mod to see what I was doing wrong. I could not for the life of me figure this out. Okay, and it turns out it was that one tiny thing. Anyways, so look, we can right click on the furnace and it doesn't crash. How exciting, eh? Flippin' heck. Okay. And you can even place another one, and it won't crash. Okay, anyway, so let's go and grab So what did we say we could burn? We said we could burn our tut item, didn't we? Yeah, tut item. Okay, so we looked. If you can grab our tut item, okay. See if we can get this, and we also used normal recipes, didn't we? So if we grab some iron ore, I don't know, a stack of it. Okay, and we place the tut item. Places it in both. Which is not correct. The same if we do that. Okay, so that is something that I guess I'm going to save for another episode at this point, unless we're less than an hour and 15 minutes in. Okay. I've got a bath running anyway, so yeah, I'll be right back once I've had my bath. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, okay, so I figured out the problem. Basically in here we need to set this to 1, because I accidentally set that to 0, so we called upon the same slot twice. And also down here, this number here should be 1, not 2. Okay, and that's it, okay. So now if we actually run the game, or launch up, we can go into the game, and you will notice that this time when we open it, we place something in there, it works. Okay, so we're using normal furnace recipes for now, and if we place our tut item in there, which I said would work, you'll see that it will burn. All working nicely, okay. So that all works and it's burning, okay. So you see you'll get the output of an ingot iron because we're using normal furnace recipes for now. We still get the thing now, like that, okay. And yeah, so I guess everything works like a normal furnace, okay. If we replace it again and we put, I don't know, we also said that diamond tools could work, didn't we? So whether this will work or not, I guess we will find out if we place this in there. Place in some iron ore. No, that does not work. I was expecting hopefully for that to work. Yet again I had to go into here and see what was up, and it turns out I missed out a number. Okay. That's our article by the way. Okay. So we did define it, didn't we? We did say that it would equal that. Apparently not. I thought it would work, but it doesn't want to. Unless it's just that one. Just tab tools. Guess make a pickaxe and that'll work. Oh, pickaxes work, which is a good sign. So it's just the sword that doesn't work. So it comes with a tab item combat, doesn't it? You see that there. Just to prove it again, just in case you didn't see. That works. Also, anything with the material of rock should work. If we get some stone, this is material rock. This should also work. Okay. And that also works like so. Well, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. This has been the Growth Project 1, showing you how to create a custom furnace, even though it was a bit glitchy at points. Yeah, if you want to, obviously you're going to want to download the source code for this mod, and I guess, yeah. But anyway, these episodes are just explaining how everything works, what you should type, and so on and so forth, okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This has been the Growth Project 101. I guess see you guys in another tutorial. I'll tell you what, you get like one issue after another of these things. Okay, so I wasn't finished there. Okay, we need to do minus this dot furnace item stacks. By the way, the reason I'm doing this is because it turned out that when the dot stack size, sorry, dot stack. Oh. It turns out that when the item smelted, the item side of the furnace and the top bit didn't actually disappear. It kind of just stayed there, and it would keep giving the output, but the item will stay there, so it had like an infinite smelting thing. Okay, so we need to do that, and then we need to go if this dot furnace item stacks 0 dot stack size is greater than or equal to 0. Then we want to set this dot furnace item stacks 0 equal to null. Okay, so if we run this, it should hopefully work. So now if we go back in and replace the furnace and set the time to day. Place that in there. Okay, and then place the stone. I can see I've got like over a stack of iron because it didn't actually disappear. It's a tutorial item. This time, hopefully, when this completes, this should like make the thing disappear. Answer to my question is, yeah, I'm correct. Okay, good. Okay, so that worked. This time, guys, thanks for watching yet again. It's been the Growth Project 011 yet again. I guess see you guys in another tutorial. Bye.